radio was in display. I didn't know it issued this.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 360, effective until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Oklahoma: Cleveland, Gray, and McLean. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather.
Why? Dude, this was on display because of last night, I bet.
While severe weather may
I don't know if I forgot it was.
remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements
Why
and
is
possible
this on
warnings.
display in the first place?
Tune to know weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
What is on now? What are you doing?
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Really?
Western Washita County in western Oklahoma, southwestern Kingfisher County
Kingfisher.
in central Oklahoma, northwestern Grady County in
Grady.
central Oklahoma, northern Caddo County in
Caddo.
western Oklahoma, southeastern Custard County in western
Custard?
Oklahoma, southern Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma, western Canadian County in central Oklahoma. 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
You are being so active within this month.
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line.
How big is this exactly? Hold on, how big is this? Let me see this. How big is this? Does that look severe to you? You think that's severe? Oh my gosh. The dumb weather service really thinks that this looks severe, okay? Really, okay? Really? Only 1-inch hail. 60 miles per hour, windows. Yeah, it could be that, but it doesn't look that bad on the radar. Now, this radio is doing nothing but talking about stuff like that. And also, they expanded the area, and, like, I was in the other room, I didn't, like, it was still in display. I changed it after that because I'm like, yeah, putting it on display is not gonna be very good. You know why? Because I miss the alerts. Why is weather being so active this month? This is ridiculous. What is it now?
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Grady County in central Oklahoma, east central Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, southwestern Oklahoma County in
Oh, great. Now I'm in one.
Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, southern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, northwestern McLean County in central Oklahoma, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Oh my gosh. What is going on? I don't understand. I don't know how. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh, focus. That doesn't look severe at all. That does not look severe. Are you kidding me? You're still counting that? This is so dumb.
Floor of a building. Severe thunderstorm watch number 360 remains in effect. Severe thunderstorm warning.
I just woke up.
County in western Oklahoma, northwestern Comanche County in southwestern Oklahoma, Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, northeastern Jackson County in southwestern Oklahoma.
You've got to be kidding
County
me.
in western Oklahoma, Kiowa County in southwestern Oklahoma, southwestern Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma, north central
How can
Kiowa
there be a severe thunderstorm in this condition? It's not that bad.
Central Oklahoma until noon Central Daylight Time. At 11:11 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles north of Corn to 4 miles south of Cordell to 5 miles southwest of Sentinel, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Oh my gosh.
Considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Weatherford, Clinton, Hobart, Cordell, Hinton, Granite, Carnegie, Snyder, Hydro, Sentinel, Arapahoe, Mountain View, Winger, Fort Cobb, Deal City, Corn, Lone Wolf, Mountain Park, Custer City, and Eakley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service
Oh my gosh. The damage to it is even considerable too. Just the icing on the cake, I guess. This? Oh my gosh, bro. Are you kidding me? Dude, that's crazy. How active can this dumb weather even get? I don't get it. Yeah, I don't know, man. Another one! Why?
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 361.
Oh, what?
Until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following.
A watch too? After you issued the warning, you've got to be kidding me! What the heck? You issued this warning and they're like, yeah, never mind, we're issuing a watch. It's literally like just after yesterday's too. The number only went up by 1. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much, Noah. Really appreciate it.
Or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
I can't believe this right now.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe
This weather has been the most active as it's ever been this month. It's ridiculous. My gosh, dude, come on. Really?
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, northeastern Custer County in western Oklahoma, Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma, eastern Dewey County in northwestern Oklahoma, northwestern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, until noon Central Daylight Time.
Okay. It's still until noon.
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles southwest of Orange near Custer City.
Did it intensify again? Yeah, it did. It went from severe to strong to back to severe.
The following effects are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
So dumb.
Damage is also likely to
How come I didn't count any of these?
buildings.
Does it know that it's not going there?
Include Watonga, Fury, Bokeene, Thomas, Canton, Custer City, Longdale,
Gosh, man. Should have had the light on the entire time, to be honest.
Homestead, Pugmag, and Southern. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Strong
Okay.
thunderstorms.
Really?
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Washita County in western Oklahoma, northern Comanche County in southwestern Oklahoma, Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, Grady County in central Oklahoma, Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, northeastern Kiowa County in southwestern Oklahoma, Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma, Canadian County in central Oklahoma, until 12:30 p.m. Central Daylight
Oh, they extended the time. Damage threat is still considerable. Dude, how is that not for me? Come on! How is that not for me? For my county. Oh, whatever, man. This is so stupid.
Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include western Oklahoma City, El Reno, Chickasha, Blanchard, Anadarko, Watauga, Kingfisher, Yukon, Mustang, Tuttle, Piedmont, Hinton, Elgin, Carnegie, Union City, Minko, Apache, Geary, Okarche, and Fletcher. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Okay, now flash floods are possible.
Strong thunderstorms will impact portions of the
Oh, dude. When will this weather not be active anymore? Like, what the heck? Another one?
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Garvin County in southern Oklahoma, eastern Grady County in central Oklahoma, Oklahoma County in
I stepped on this and I'm glad I didn't break it.
central Oklahoma, northern Stevens County in southern Oklahoma, northwestern Carter County in southern Oklahoma, Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Logan County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Murray County in southern Oklahoma, Pottawatomie County in central Oklahoma, McLean County in central Oklahoma.
How many are
until
there?
1:30 p.m.
Okay. It's until 1:30. That destructive storm turned to a considerable storm. This is still going on. Are you kidding me? My gosh. That's crazy, dude.
Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Oklahoma City, Norman, Edmond, Moore, Midwest City, Shawnee, Duncan, Del City, Guthrie, Newcastle, Blanchard, Tecumseh, Pauls Valley, Purcell, Marlow, Chandler, Choctaw, The Village, Noble, and Hera. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service has issued severe
My gosh, dude. It's ridiculous how active this is right now. It's so dumb.
miles an hour, wind gusts, and half-dollar size.
Oh. 8:30 in the morning. You kidding me?
Impacted include Stillwater, Cushing, Chandler, Perkins, Stroud, Drake, Yale, Meeker, Davenport, Wellston, Kearney, Glencoe, Tryon, Ripley, Agra, Sparks, Warwick, Kendrick, Fallis, and Lake McMurtry. Remain alert for tornado. Tornado develop quickly from severe thunders. If you tornado comes into the basement or stir, move to a room building.
What now?
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Really? You think so?
Eastern Payne County in central
It's very, very dark outside at 8:40 in the morning. Should be bright and sunny.
Were located along a line extending from near Ripley to near Agra to 4 miles southeast of Kearney, moving east at 50 miles an hour. These are destructive storms for Perkins.
Oh, what?
Expected hazards include 80 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail.
Oh my, okay.
Confirmed by emergency management.
Emergency
Following
management.
impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Cushing, Chandler, Perkins, Stroud, Yale, Davenport, Kearney, Tryon, Ripley, Agra, Kendrick, Avery, and
Okay,
Parkland.
they're destructive. Great.
Situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across Perkins and Cushing. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Well, dang.
The National Weather Service.
Wow. That was crazy. I was just wanting to play this cool game. Gosh, dang. This is destructive. Looks like it's the only storm going by, though. That is crazy, dude. And that's the end of this video. Now, before I end this video, I'd like to say something. That a brand new radio is on its way to my location. Which is very, very exciting. Because it's in alert works. I'm going to post an unboxing video on my alt account about it. And, yeah, can't wait to see what this thing can do.